Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing another try on haul. I love doing try on hauls from this one place, which is called Blushmark. I have done a video with them previously and they had such good, very unique different pieces, and I was like, I just really appreciate like the diversity. I love how I can get like a little bit of this, a little bit of that. There's just everything on that site, so I'm going to be linking everything that I have on today down below. Just a little warning, you guys are going to get a little involved with that site. You're gonna see one thing and then you're gonna be suggested like 12 other things that you really want to add to your cart, and it's just gonna be like a whole like snowball effect. But it's a good thing just because everything is super well priced. Everything's very inexpensive, so definitely check them out. And thank you so much Blushmark for sponsoring this video today. Today's video is definitely going to be a little bit shorter than the last one just because I got fewer items. This is the top here, and I do have matching pants, but these are separate. I love this. It's so pretty. I've seen it on Instagram before. I've been wanting to get it, and it kind of looks like it's doing this. So here's the boobies, and then here is the hands doing this. So this is supposed to kind of be like a heat wave, like body temperature detector type top, and I'm just obsessed. I had to get the matching pants. If I just get them tailored a little bit, could you imagine? So this is what the pants look like. They kind of have like that shape of your leg, and then the blue kind of swims out your whole entire figure, and the back of the shirt is blue, and then here you have like the booty, and it's so cute. And these are kind of like straight leg, but they're so cute. Like even a little picture like this, like hello. And shut the duck up because this dress is so pretty. I love the material. I've been wanting a dress like this before, but I've just never gotten around to it. There's like this blue one that I wanted to get forever, and this one just gives that same vibe. Out to dinner with the girls, so cute. This is what it looks like on the side, and then this is what it looks like from the back. I just love myself a low back. It just gives me everything. And then in the back it does have like a small slit. Okay, now let's take a moment for her. Let's have a little applause. She is so pretty. This one is just like a ribbed little dress here, and I do have like some little covers on. It can be a little bit sheer, probably depending on what color you have. I got this in pink. You can't tell, the back isn't insane. I think I saw, I don't remember what celebrity it was, it might have been Hailey Baldwin, but she wore a dress similar to this before, kind of in a way, and it had like this thong moment back here, but it was a little bit lower. You can pull it down lower to be lower if you want it to, but I'm playing it safe. But it's actually really long. It's all the way down to my ankles. I might just go ahead and get all colors because this is so cute. And then we have this polka dot abstract piece. I've noticed that these were like really big last year. This is very on trend. It's such a like unique piece. I love pieces like this, and this is what the top looks like. With these having the bodies printed on them, it just makes your body look so much slimmer. It just really contours the body, which I really love. And this is the back right here. And if you guys are taller, this will probably fit you like a little bit shorter than me. But now moving on to more of like a scandy piece. I do have some covers under, but it does kind of have like some rips. It really just depends if you have like smaller girls, bigger girls, how it's going to fit you at the top. I just think life is so much more fun when you're just like, you know what, I'm gonna wear this for myself because I want to wear it. If I like it, then I like it, whatever. But this is the side view, and then the back looks like this. And now moving on to the pants. This is a pair of joggers that I got. These are like joggers or sweats, whatever you guys want to call them, but super cute. So it looks like from the side and from the back. They're very comfy, and I also did get these in a size medium. I think I've said this before, I always get like my joggers, my sweats and stuff in a larger size just because I like how they fit all baggy and loose. And also I do have this puffer jacket that I'm going to show you guys in a second, which with this is her, this is the puffer. I also got the puffer in a size medium because I like it a little bit more oversized, but I just feel like this would be cute. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, like comfy. This from the back, it's super warm. Like I immediately feel really warm. I saw like a similar pink one. I definitely need to snatch that one too. Also, I wanted to mention that they do have a few packs of like some undies. So I decided to pick these up because I love wearing good comfy undies. So this one is just a nude one with like little stretchy sides, a black one, and then I also got myself a little like gray charcoal ones. I know that this was not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but I just thought that they were really cool. And like I said, this website has like very different pieces, and I think it's fun to experiment. I honestly think that these could be very cute. Also, these are a little bit sheer, as you guys can see, but nothing too crazy. They literally just have like this tubing all down the back and all down the front, and I just think it's so cool. It gives you everything. I think it's really cute. And then this is what the bottoms look like. I don't know what top we're gonna experiment, but I definitely think that these could be really good. Okay, now these have to be my favorite pants that I have gotten. These are like joggers. They're kind of like a windbreaker material, and they're very scrunched up like this. I feel like these are pants that Billy would definitely wear, especially nowadays. Like, they're very sexy because right here you can actually pull this down and it goes down lower, kind of like into a V. But it is so freaking cute. This is the side right here, and here is the back. It's just giving. It's everything. It has like a scrunch, so it makes your butt look a lot bigger. It's very stretchy. These are in the size large. I got them in the size large on purpose because I feel like they just fit a lot better. I'd rather them be bigger than them be too small. I'm telling you guys, they have such different pieces. It's definitely worth it. Alright guys, so I got two different jackets, and I got this one that says like Home Depot on it, and then there's this one that's kind of more like sports car racy type vibes. I'm gonna be putting them over this like plain outfit to show you guys how you guys can wear it like casual, like tomboy, but like not really trying, but I am trying. We have this casual outfit, and then we have this jacket to go over. It's so cute. You can button it up. Look how cute. I got these in a size large as well. This is the back, and here is this one again with the casual fit. So this one you can actually zip it up and button it, so it's definitely up to you. This is what it looks like when it's closed. This is with it open. It's really cute, like this for errands. And the back, and after the top, that pairs with these joggers right here. This actually just has essentials. I got another one the last time, and it was just super comfy, so I got another one. This one is in gray. It's really warm inside, that's what I have to say for sure. This one is like a true large because if you guys can see, the sleeves are kind of oversized on me. Oh my gosh, my bun is getting messier and messier throughout this freaking video. It's like, I love how slouchy it is. I love how like cute and cash this is. Like, I would definitely wear this out with like some tennies and feel super cute, even though I'm very, very comfy and warm. But yeah, this is super cute. This was the last item. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more videos like this, give me a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. And thank you again to Blushmark for sponsoring this video.